Vince Megna is the nation's leading lemon law attorney. On February 15, 2012, he testified in Madison, Wisconsin against Senate Bill 466, a Republican-sponsored landlord-tenant bill that destroys 30 years of tenant rights. 1 minute into testifying, Megna gave the Republican senators the Italian salute. This extraordinary event was captured on audio.
My name is Vince Megna. I practice lemon law and automobile warranty law in Milwaukee. This is an absolutely horrendous law that has been drafted here. It's just another anti-consumer law drafted by this group of people under Governor Scott Walker, who signs anything.
I wish you signed anything.
Yeah, well, the writers of this law have no soul. They have no understanding of anything related to tenant law. It's an agenda. That's all it is. They've destroyed many consumer laws. And the one that my colleague here referenced, that'll be the next one.
Could you speak to the
Yes.
specifics of this bill
Yes.
rather than insulting the integrity of the office?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
And in the words of my grandfather, if he were here, he couldn't speak English, but he could convey his thoughts, and it's this: a bafangu. Thank you.